Have you ever spent an hour designing a poster and when you finished, it still looked like something was missing? You changed the color and try a different font, even move everything around, but somehow it still does not look good or professional. The problem is not your creativity. Most of the time, you are simply missing a few small details that make a huge difference. In this video, I'll take some of the ordinary posters and improve them by using 4 design effects that every designer should know. The first thing I noticed is that this design feels flat because it is missing a simple gradient effect to create a natural light transition, making the design feel deeper without making it busy. So let us apply it now. Now we have created a depth. Let us make a background more interesting with a texture effect. So instead of filling your design with a random shape, use a halftone texture. Of course, I like this because it adds a rhythm and character without competing with the main message. What I should do now is to select this gradient and Ctrl+J to make a duplicate. Go to filter, then filter gallery, apply halftone. For these settings, then reduce opacity around 10 to 20. This one already feels alive. Means that we have created a depth, but the most important every design needs is a visual moment. Something that quietly catches attention. A soft lens flare created the feeling of light interacting with the design. Now let us interact it in this design. Do you have an idea about this? Feel free to share in the comment below. Turning back to this poster, let us see how the information will sit on this design with the grass effect. I know this is a trending, but here I'm not following the trend. I am trying to separate the information from the background while keeping everything connected. Now let us see how we can manage this. Now, I duplicated the layer 2 times, select the above layer and remove the background. Then I select the layer below and apply Gaussian blur with these settings. And go to filter, filter gallery, and I apply a grass texture with the following settings. The good news is that you may ask me the design asset in the comments below. Not only this, but the asset I used in all tutorials. Now I am just polishing the design with these details. Sometimes we use these details to balance our design in terms of color, alignment and so forth, depending on your needs. Now compare these final results. Let me give you an advice on this. The secret of a good and professional design is not about adding too much details or effects, only knowing when and why to use them. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe my channel. Every tutorial here is designed to help you think like a creative designer, not just use a design software. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.